Welcome to World by Purpose. In today's video, we'll look at channel trailer. So first of all, a channel trailer, let me try to load onto, you go to youtube.com and load it in so we can have a look at what a channel trailer is. You remember, anytime you want to log onto your YouTube channel, you got to be sure, make sure that your mode, your system or your stuff is on desktop mode, and pointed to by the arrow, you click on that to switch to desktop mode. So when you click on that, it gives you a drop down to desktop mode. To go to your channel, you've got to click on your icon of your channel just by the right there. You click on it. So the moment we click on it, it opens up. You can zoom. Is that okay? So you've got to zoom that way. Then we click on your channel. So the moment we click on your channel, it takes us right into your channel and moves to the component we want to look at. So right in this component, here is something I want you to see. The channel trailer, it's the welcome video. It is the first video that new subscribers are going to see. So your channel trailer, it's very important. So I want to talk about how you can do that. It simply means you're going to shoot a video. You're going to shoot a video. Here you can see on the screen here, for example, it's my channel trailer playing. It talks about me. As a matter of fact, the channel trailer carries the same content that you have in your channel description. So you can do exactly the same thing and read or create something related to that. So it's actually going to be a video. And to do a video, all you need is your phone, your camera. So I'll quickly tell you the things you're going to do. You may not need to do any editing. Write the script. It's a channel trailer is a 2-minute video, 90 seconds to 2-minute video, but not less than 1 minute, above 1 minute, not more than 2 minutes, that talks about who you are, what you've done, why should people listen to you, what your channel has to offer. You welcome the people and tell them the expectation of the videos they will be listening to, then a call to action for them to subscribe. It's related to your channel description, so you're going to do that video. But this is what I need you to understand, that you're going to do the video is just the video in your camera will get the job done. So just insert a mic and talk. Look at the screen, put it on a horizontal dimension. So in other words, it's going to be on landscape. And when you look, don't look at the screen, look at the camera. Let it be at your eye level and look at the camera. If you've got a tripod, it can hold it for you. But if you have no tripod, then you can place it somewhere that can help you achieve what you are doing. So that is the key thing that we need for your channel. That's the key thing you need for your YouTube channel. So go shoot your camera. So for us to do that, this is what you're going to do depending on where your stuff is. For example, this is my own handset now. So I go to where camera is. So you see it. So you know where your camera is, isn't it? You know where your camera is, and you click on it. This is my camera. So you see that. So when you click on the camera, it loads, and the moment it loads, you switch to video. You can see you switch to video. So that is how it is. So I switch to the video. Then once the video is on, you click and record. You just talk about what you want to do, and with that, you're done. So I need you to take action, take your camera, record yourself in a video and talk about your channel, and that's all. 90 seconds to 2 minutes. If you know how to do video editing, you can, but in another video, I'm going to talk about video editing. So that is what a channel trailer is. And follow the same process of uploading the video. I'll also do a video on that, on how to upload. So just get that ready, your channel trailer, talk, and just be sure that you're fine. So with that, we are done. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do. Thank you, and have a jolly moment.